Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I got this quick 15-minute look, no foundation used, something quick and easy for the morning. This is me out here struggling. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going in with these towelettes to just cleanse my skin. I have pretty dry skin, so typically I don't like to rewash in the morning. I just use these to cleanse. Now we're ready for some makeup. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance drops. These are the best. I use these under everything. They make my skin feel hydrated and glowy. They're the bomb. Using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light, I'm going to go underneath my eyes and conceal. I'm also going to use that on my chin and forehead just to balance it out, but this is all I'm using, no foundation, this is just enough. First going in with the brush to blend this out, just so I have more control of where it's placed, and then I'm going to go in with the sponge after. This shade is a little light for me in the summer, but I can get away with it. Usually I would use the light medium, but it will all work out once I put some bronzer on. And I'm just going in to spot conceal a few breakouts that I have. And like always, going with the sponge to really blend and sheer that out. Looking like Casper. Don't stress, we're going to make this work with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick. This is in the shade Toffee 330. Feeling myself. I'm going to blend all this craziness out with the Morphe M427. So easy. No, but seriously, this does blend out so easily, especially with this Morphe brush. It's super beginner friendly if you're scared of a cream contour. And this is me realizing that I need to put some jams on because I've been sitting in silence.
You're so sweet to me. You fill me in when I black out. Pull my dress down when my ass out. Love me despite my big mouth.
Using a sponge to blend out those edges. Yes, there's iced coffee in this mug. We're matching now. Using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'm going to go in and set my under eyes and my T-zone, but I'm definitely avoiding my cheeks where I'm going to be applying some more cream products. Setting underneath my eyebrow where I concealed up my brows. And right in the corners of my nose where I tend to break up the most. Quick coffee/dance intermission, you know. Now using the liquid products I was talking about, this is the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the color Liquid Champagne. It's gorgeous, it's so metallic. The reason I didn't set any of my cheekbones with powder is because I'm going to be using creams, and if you lay creams on top of powders, it turns instantly cakey. This stuff works best blended out with your fingers first and then with a sponge. It is so metallic, I love it. Sticking with the liquid products, I'm going in with Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the color Tasty, placing this all over my cheekbones. I'm blending this with the liquid highlighter I just applied. I really love using liquid products together when I'm doing a minimal makeup day. It just makes your skin look really natural and glowy, and it doesn't look heavy at all. Now just blending everything in together. Going in with a little bit more bronzer. This is the Milani Baked Bronzer in the color Dolce. This is so beautiful. I love to put this right over the cream contour just to bronze up even a little bit more. I'm just going in with a little bit of translucent powder on a fluffy brush just to blend and set everything in. Gotta glue down those brows, girl. This is the Anastasia Brow Gel. This stuff is like hairspray for your eyebrows. They will not move. They stay in the exact place that you comb them into. Essence Lash Princess. Duh, this is my favorite. Just going in with some light mascara. This is all I would do on a day-to-day. Time for some lips. They always make the look. I'm going in with the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Enduring Mauve. This is really pretty just to outline kind of like a natural lip color. I'm also slightly contouring my lips by shading in the sides and leaving the middle lighter. That's going to give you a nice pouty look. I'm taking the MAC lipstick in the shade Blankety, and I'm placing that in the center part of my lips. This is such a smooth, creamy color, and it's a really pretty nude. I love wearing this in the middle of a darker liner. And this is the final look.